Mommy, hurry with this part, please. We'll get it nice and warm for you.
Okay, how are we doing here?
It's going. I'm not liking the lotion so much. I know.
Thanks, Nadine.
Sure. Oh my goodness.
Wasn't that better than the other way?
Yeah.
He's bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's ready for this kind of a bath a couple times a week.
Yeah.
Okay, his clothes are behind you. And this is his clean diaper. There's hats back there. What else do you need? You turn him over and put some lotion on his bath?
I got the bath.
Okay. I'll get some of that.
Is that better? More time for me? Is that better?